Hey guys, today I'm going to let you know the code which you can use to sell AIRTEL monthly data bundles to your friends and you start making money out of data reselling. Perhaps you have seen this or this on any of my social media platforms or somewhere else. So today I'm going to let you know the code which we use to sell this AIRTEL monthly data bundle. So if you want to join us in this business, you are lucky you have found this video, because we really don't share out this knowledge to anyone unless you have offered something. So you can start this business right away after the end of this video. Now we are going to start with part 1. How do we sell this data? Here are the terms and conditions. Condition number 1 is that you need to have purchased a monthly data bundle from AIRTEL. So after purchasing that monthly data bundle, that means you are going to be able to start reselling AIRTEL monthly data bundle. Condition number 2 is that you need to have a minimum airtime of 250 shillings for that transaction to go through. So now this is the code which we use, and you can also note it down and you start using this code. It's *175 *5 *2 *. Now here you put in the phone number where you want to send this data to. Let's say I want to put in this number here. Now after I press star, now I put in the amount of data that I want to send. Let's say I want to send 500 MBs. Put in 500, then afterwards I press hash. Now both of you will receive a message confirming the transaction, and at the other side your friend will have received his or her monthly data bundle. Now we are going to get into part 2, this one here, and this is where the huge profits are. So if you want to know that, click on the link down the description such that you can be able to know this part 2 here of how you can be able to resell monthly data bundles and you make huge profits.